Hi friends, welcome to Laxmiles 31. I am Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to create a donut chart in Tableau. Let's get started. A donut chart is essentially a pie chart with an area of the center cut out. In a donut chart, readers are often focused on reading the length of the arcs rather than comparing the proportions between slices. Also, donut charts are more space efficient than pie charts because the blank space inside could be used to display data. Let me open Tableau public application and show you how to create a donut chart. I have opened the Tableau public application and I have taken sample superstore data. To create a donut chart, we need to create a pie chart first. So we need to have a measure and a dimension ready in place to create a pie chart. So I'm taking a measure sales and dropping it in the text mark, and I'm taking one more one more dimension and dropping it in the color mark. Now I'm changing the marks automatic to pie to create a pie chart. Now the pie chart has been created and this is like equally segregated. It is not like based on the data, it's not segregated or splitted properly. So I'm dropping the sales in the angle mark. Now the proportion of the arc is correct, and we need to create a calculated field to create a donut. So first of all, I am writing the calculation. The calculation is simple. We just need to write 0 within the calculation and rename it as donut. You can name it anything. I'm renaming it as donut, and I'm clicking on OK. The calculated field is created, and I'm dragging the calculated field and dropping it in the row shelf, and I'm duplicating the same and dropping it again. And I'm right clicking on the second donut calculation and selecting dual axis, and I'm selecting the first measure sum of donut, changing it I'm keeping it as pi only, and the second measure donut copy, I'm changing the mark to circle. I'm reducing the size of the circle, and I am increasing the size of the donut a little. Now I'm removing the axis, or I'm changing the standard view to entire view to make it more appealing, and I have selected donut copy measure and removing the category from color mark. Measure names from color, and we can change the color to white so that it will be displayed as a white background, or you could change the color to anything. I just selected white to look it more better, to make it visually better. And the donut chart is created. We just need to do the formatting, removing this axis and all. I'm just removing the show header and removing show header for this also, removing the reference line. Here on the I clicked on the analytics page To remove this reference line, we can change the line to white color so that it will not display. I'm clicking on the worksheet. You can do the formatting little later. I'm just showing it for your reference. I have selected the format option, formatting lines. I clicked on 0 line and I clicked on none to remove all the lines and make it like a complete donut without any disturbance. So yeah, this is how you can create a donut chart. Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.